Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? So yesterday I threw in my short throw headers, or my shortcut headers. BBK ones, and they're on my Flowmaster exhaust, dual exhaust. We're gonna see how it sounds. I'm gonna show you some footage of us putting them in, us bullshitting around. Yeah, basically having a few beers with my bros, and you get to see my two buddies. Then we go down to the shop, down in our local town, our Caribou Spring shop. We go down there, check it out, buy the tools. All in all, it's a pretty good video. Check it out. Tell me what you guys think. Peace. The two wizards about to get into it, or what? Honing their fucking wizardly skills?
It'd be easier going behind that tire, dude. Huh? It'd be easier going behind that tire.
I seen fucking there was long type of headers this one guy got for his, but I couldn't find them online. So I only got the short ones.
Long tube headers?
Yeah.
Those ones you would have to,
Like, well then?
yeah, you'd have to get different flanges for it.
That's probably why you couldn't find them online.
Yeah, these ones you can drop them in. These got for 11/16? 11/16? It's not 5/8. Wait. Yeah, there's something. I got you the video how it sounds.
Oh yeah, that's a good point too. Here, start it. I'm gonna do that right now too. Headers are going in, boys. Boom. Let's get a good fucking video of this. It'll sound nice on my camera too. Is it recording right now?
Nope, you're gonna have to press it.
Okay. We are double recording this bitch. Here goes. Fuck yeah, that sounds dope, man. Can't wait to see him. Can't wait to hear him.
10 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, fuck it, man. Let's just not even discuss it, man.
So,
OMG.
what did
I ain't tripping, I'ma let him sleep. I ain't tripping, let him rest in peace. I can tell
Did it end up going behind it?
Just checking it out now.
BBK, you kind of fucked us. I'll be telling you about that in the review.
Can I be in your video?
No, but no, but you can go sit over there.
An empty chair that needs filling. Be like,
I ain't tripping, let him rest in peace. I've been at the house taking no.
Hey!
I didn't hit a stride, got my shit on. In the seats cooking with the wrist. I don't know what time it is. I'm still awake, I gotta shine this shit. I could never ever let the streets down. Haven't left the condo for a week now, man. 10 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, fuck it, man. Let's just not even discuss it, man. OMG. Niggas sleep, I ain't tripping, I'ma let them sleep. I ain't tripping, let them rest in peace. I've been on a mission, haven't left the condo. Yo, that season, it's that new Toronto. I get boxes of free Jordan like I play for North Carolina. How much I make off the deal, how the fuck should I know? All my watches always timeless, you can keep the diamonds. Treating diamonds of Atlanta like it's king of diamonds. Take a flick, I look like Michi, look like Blue Da Vinci. I treat V-Live like it's 07 in Magic City. Man, I told my city I'll be gone till November. Then November came, then I came. Right back on my worst behave. 6 guys, put both hands together, that's amazing grace. 6 guys, selfish with the love, I need all the praise. Woo! They got me feeling like the one again. Woo! They got me feeling like the one again. Yeah, shot goes out to Nike, checks all over me. I need a fuel band just to see how long the run has been. 10 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, fuck it, man. Let's just not even discuss it, man. OMG, niggas sleep. I ain't tripping, I'ma let them sleep. I ain't tripping, let them rest in peace. I've been in the crib with the phones off. I've been at the house taking no call. I done hit a stride, got my shit going. In the seats cooking with the rick.
Want to fuck around? Wanna fuck around with us, eh? You think you loco? This is getting dangerous. Whoa. Backing up a bit. Before he fucking kills us. Ladies and gentlemen, he has been drinking. For some reason, I don't think this is safe, but we're gonna rock it out anyways. Yeah, Kyle, burn it.
Yeah, right on.
Now they ain't about to think you a rebel, you about to make them think your birds from flame.
That was actually really. Sorry, I'm broke. Fuck!
Then it's a bitch when you're sick like this. Putting all the face paint I can put on. Put my black jeans and black hood on. That's your TV, I just put on. With a faded habit, this brother swerves when I sip vodka. I'm the latest rabbit.
Yeah.
In other words, I'm a hip hop
Fucking spot. You ever looking for springs? My fool will help you out on that low. Actually, I don't know how expensive they are.
My shit is surprising and shocking like Barack votes. The trap's broke when I rap with Tunchi and Stacks. Though Mud said I'm gonna be the first rapper to cross over to black folks. Yeah, I'm breaking into colored houses.
Sounds way meaner. Yeah, I did. But not as loud.
There's back part of
Yeah. Yeah, that's dope.
Since 2001, my people dodge me like Durango. Now at my shows, I see more N-words than Django. From Missouri, Nelly, Chingy, and Chang hang low. But Kansas City, somewhere over the rainbow. I'm in your house.
Oh, hell yeah.